Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and handle returns as a seller on eBay. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply write ebay.com/sh. So that's all you need to write. And once you do that, you're going to be in your sellers hub right over here. And on the right hand side, there's going to be a orders tab where all you want to do is simply go ahead and click on all open returns and replacements. Once you do that, it's gonna show you all the return requests right over here and also right over here. If you want to simply go ahead and accept it, just simply go ahead and accept the returns, and all you need to do is just provide them shipments. You could do a couple of different ways of returns or refunds. So there is a partial refund where you can simply go ahead and let them keep the thing and they like the thing. You can just give a partial amount refund, or there's a full refund where you can simply give the whole amount back and let them keep the product as well. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.